Exercise 10 is our first flotation exercise in the demo. So in this exercise, we will simulate in rougher bank 1. We're going to set the flow rate to 2,800 cubic meters per hour. So oftentimes in flotation circuits, the feed flow rate to the bank will change, or recirculating loads will change, or the streams need to be redirected. When this happens, we need to predict the recovery and the grade of this flotation cell after the change has happened. So currently, this circuit is simulated as 3,500 cubic meter per hour with a feed mineral percentage of 5. So if I do a simulation on this, the result says that my concentrate will have a grade of 25%. So this is a very good separation of the mineral from the gangue in the concentrate. However, there is a red warning, and that is in the slow floating ratio. So our advice says that the gangue is floating at a faster rate or very close to the mineral in the slow fraction. So when I look at the graph and I look at my cumulative percentage recovery graph, and I have recovery versus grade graph as well. Here I can see that this flotation is not, even though it has a good separation between mineral and gangue, the rate slows down after the first 8 minutes or so. So the flotation is not very effective here. What this means is that this flotation bank is too long and that the additional flotation cells are not required. In this case, the gangue will be recovered after a certain point. So this data has been chosen to show that even though you can get a good result, your operation might not be effective. So let's look only at the concentrate. That was 25%. So I'll make a note of this. Our base simulation had a 25% grade in the concentrate. Now, when I do the simulation and I make a change, the flow rate will be reduced to 2,800. Okay. After doing a simulation, I still have the same red icon, which means I have a problem with my slow floating ratio. Now the new grade is 23%. So from this simulation, I can see that if I have a drop in throughput, I will have a 2% difference in the grade in the concentrate. So the advantage of doing this type of simulation is that you can make a prediction of your results for the day during this operation before
starting the flotation operation for the day. Now in the next exercises we will have a look on at how we can fix this specific problem that we have here with our slow floating ratio.